Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. So I crashed my Tesla. No guys, I did not crash the Hertz 2023 Model 3. I actually crashed a 2020 that I had before this. A truck ran a red light and I T-boned the truck. Now I'm not going to show you that video just yet, but let me tell you, the cameras on this car did come in handy. In this video I'm going to show you how much I paid for the 2020 Model 3, how many miles I bought it with, the interest rate, and then how much the insurance paid out for that vehicle. Then at the end of the video, we're going to talk a little bit about this 2023 Model 3 from Hertz. All right, we're going to get straight to it. The vehicle I bought was a 2020 Tesla Model 3 with 89,000 miles. The interest rate here was 7.24. I did a $13,000 down payment. The price of the vehicle was $23,995, so pretty much $24,000. I did receive the SoCal Edison tax EV rebate check in the mail for $4,000, so keep that in mind. After taxes, the total was $26,311. I traded in a 2017 Honda Ioniq fully electric. That vehicle had 87,988 miles. They gave me the full payoff amount of $9,600, so they paid off what I owed. The reason I traded in this car was that it needed a drive unit, and to replace that at the dealer was about $4,000. All right, this is what the insurance paid out. When I was done with this vehicle, the miles was 98,933. I was trying to take it to 100,000, but I was not successful in that. The base value of the vehicle was $25,488 after taxes and DMV fees. The total amount that I received, or they paid off the remaining of the vehicle and then I received a check after that, but the total amount was $26,524. And that was for a 2020 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this whole deal. You think trading in a Honda Ioniq that needed a $4,000 drive unit, paying $24,000, getting a $4,000 check in the mail, and then the insurance paying off the vehicle and then sending me the remainder? Let me know in the comments. So of course they sent the 2020 Model 3 to a Copart auction. Somebody bought it and shipped it to Armenia. So it was off the map for about maybe a month and a half, and then it came up online in Armenia. So when the 2020 Tesla ended up in Armenia, and the next day I got into the 2023 Hertz Model 3, all the settings were changed. It was changed to 24-hour, miles was in kilometers, the temperature was in Celsius, so pretty much everything they use over there in Armenia. So I went on the app and I deleted that vehicle from the app, meaning changing ownership, so whoever has it now is able to register it on the app. So whoever received the 2020 Tesla Model 3, good luck. I hope you guys give it a good life out there in Armenia. All right, so what's new with this 2023 Tesla Model 3 from Hertz? I forgot to mention in the prior video that it did come with a front license plate holder, and I just peeled it right off of the front. In California, you are required to have a front license plate, but I'll deal with that when they pull me over. The tires are still terrible on this. These are the iMove Gen 2s. They're extremely loud. I don't like them. As soon as I wear them out, I'm going to buy myself a good pair that's a little bit more quieter. Coming home from work the other day, a rock hit the windshield here, so we have a nice crack on that windshield. And as you guys can see, this is already an aftermarket windshield, so I'm not going to change this windshield out until maybe I get a crazier crack, maybe in the middle. Maybe in the future I'll break some more. So if you guys did not know, you can fit a 65-inch TV in the back of this Tesla Model 3. All you have to do is fold the seats back. The TV was a 65-inch Philips that I bought from Sam's Club. My truck was in the shop, so all I had was the Model 3. And thankfully, 65-inch fit in the back. If it didn't fit, I would have to take it out the box or return it. that is all I have for today. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the whole insurance payout, if it was a good deal. If you would like to support this channel, all you have to do is hit subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.